Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. What is this? This is called ABF. ABF is a cream. It's an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-allergic cream. Every one of you know about this cream, but not everybody know wetin dem dey use this cream do. This cream dey do wonders. I know we all Nigeria especially know what they are using this cream for. But there's one particular thing I want to teach you that you don't know that this cream can do for you. This particular cream. Yes. So as you're watching this video, help me to like and share and comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.